Hey guys, check this out. We're in Centennial, Wyoming. This place is pretty cool. Got some pretty amazing scenery. We were staying at the Mountain View Historic Hotel, and I think it was built in 1907 maybe. But it's pretty nice inside. They keep it clean. It's kind of been redone. Pretty cool place. Yeah, I've got this ridge right here. There's a trail right on top of that ridge, and we're gonna try to take that tomorrow. So sounds like there's some pretty good trails around here. Some of them aren't open yet. Some of them open middle part of July, so unfortunately we won't be able to take all those, but sounds like there's still hundreds of miles of trails that we'll be able to take, so should be a good time. Well guys, that was a pretty cool way to start our ride trip. 4 jets just come out of the middle of nowhere right above us. That was cool. Just getting everybody rounded up here, fixing to hit the trails. We've got Can-Am Defender. What is that thing, a 1000?
Can-Am Defender Max XT HD10. So yeah, the 1000cc motor.
Otherwise known as Fat Agni.
Oh, beautiful Agni.
We got my brother Nolan driving that one, and his son Jace riding. We got my 2020 Sportsman Touring 570 with Stu on that one, my son Stu. Kenton, my oldest son Kenton, and my other son Dean on Kenton's Sportsman 450. And then Nolan's other son Blake on the Outlander 650. Need a nickname for you guys. K-Train, that's his nickname.
J-Dubs.
J-Dubs. Blake?
Blake is pretty short as is.
Blake. And then Dean, we need one for you.
No, you don't. My name is only 4
Hey
letters.
Jace, can I get underneath you? I didn't get a dust mask.
Oh, yes, sir.
Dino Dean.
No, it's just Dean. Sorry about that.
That's fine.
Alright. Yeah, we need to figure out where we're going, but I think this ridge, there's a trail that goes up this ridge right here that we're going to try to hit.
That one right there?
I'm not sure.
Over there, you think that was a landslide or something where there's no trees?
I thought everybody...
Well, the road's kind of odd, but
yeah, I wonder if
neat.
it like broke down and they just left it.
I don't know.
Oh, maybe
Finders
it was
keepers, we
stolen.
got a trailer.
Don't
Found
think
it
the Forest
first.
Service would be that happy.
Who's driving that home?
Me.
I volunteer.
I think Kitten should. Are we already going up the mountain?
Might take me a few days to get home.
What, Dad? Yeah, we're on the mountain already. That's crazy. Look how tiny where we just were over there.
Oh, that is
That's
a cool view
Tiny
right
town.
there.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
Picture of that.
Picture of what?
This is a cool view.
It's going to be even better once we get up there.
I'm gonna wait to take a picture until we get up there.
Look at that view, bud. That's cool.
It is cool. I'm gonna take a picture when we get way up there.
I agree.
I think I can take.
Oh, that air feels so good.
It really does.
It does. That does feel. I'm hot ready.
I guess, yeah, we'll find out. Oh, I bet it'll be fine.
Gone through
Until we-
tighter stuff than this before.
Yeah.
338.01.
Remember, Nolan, 50-inch trails mean 70-inch trails. You'll be alright.
Oh god. There's
Hey,
a
Kenton,
tree.
we got to remember, we turned on 338.01.
338.01. For
Can you hold that up? It may be kind of hard to push up, bud.
Go J-Dubs.
Good work, buddy.
Nice job.
Oh, now there's a fallen log down here.
Oh.
The fat Acme will crawl right over that puppy.
It's going to take some clearance.
Yeah.
That's one we may actually want
I think we should get back this one.
to.
Is this Defender Street legal in where you guys live, or?
Iowa has legalized these to be used on county highways and gravel roads. State highways and stuff like that, you can't take them on.
Yeah, what are we gonna do with this?
We're going to have to try to move it or cut it.
Dad,
I don't know. Yeah, this is probably going to get bushier and bigger.
I think we should cut this log and then turn around.
Well, if we're going to turn around, we're not going to waste our time cutting it. We'll just back up and find a spot somewhere.
Alright, Blake. What road is this, Blake?
And my dad.
338, I believe.
One that we're on now?
I
don't-
believe so.
I don't see it marked anywhere.
I don't
It's not
either.
marked on the map.
You might just have to remember left, right, left, rights. That's kind of difficult.
Oh,
There was maybe.
K-Train,
But
do you want to tell the viewers what you're talking about with all this left, right, and remembering trails?
I don't remember how to get back home.
Oh, obviously what I'm talking about is we make it a challenge for the boys to try to get back home and see if they can find their way.
There's all these little, like, offshoots, and I don't think
Yeah,
any
we
of
can
them
do it.
just, yeah, I don't know. How far do
Yeah,
we
we
want to
should
go
be
on
going
here,
this way.
Dad?
We're going to come to a
This
T and then we're going to hang a left.
Okay.
And we're going to make our way to 307D.
307D, don't you forget that, Blake.
And then maybe on the way back we can hit some of these offshoots.
Yeah.
It's easy to remember.
But-
3070.
I hope those offshoots aren't just
graphics
all unpassable.
Yeah.
Probably some good riding on those.
Oh, we got water.
Oh, baby.
Well, Ken, we never dielectric greased your connection, so
Oh, it's not like we're going to be in a crap ton of water like we were in Arkansas, though.
probably not.
A little different.
I remember Arkansas like yesterday.
Like yesterday?
You know.
It
I
was
remember
only
it like
a couple months
however
ago.
many months. I remember it like a couple months ago.
It was in April.
Fat Agni getting a little wet. Oh, it'd be awesome if we get a little shower this afternoon and wet these trails down a little bit.
Indeed.
These aren't too bad of trails at all. You said hang a right or a left? Left.
Left.
That right trail don't look too bad either, though.
That was right we go.
Is there? If you go right, does that take you to Rob Roy?
Left
I
again.
think so.
And that's not a trail.
If we go, no, if you go right, it dead ends. To go to
Go
Rob
right?
Roy, we have to go back to the road we.
Hold on, D.
Oh my!
Is Dean driving right now?
What, Stu?
Is Dean driving?
No.
No.
Did Kent
It's
get
alright,
some
I
air?
watch YouTube videos. Yeah, it looks good.
Like an
I like
inch
that.
or so.
Right,
Dean,
how
hold
much
on.
YouTube videos do you have? Oh yeah.
Hold on, D.
That I can take that.
Fat Acme could. Don't be graceful, but it could.
Fat Agnew gonna get a little air on these jumps?
In one piece when I get it home.
There's the little.
Boy, I can't even hardly tell. I think we need to go right.
Well, I guess
We
we'll
go
find
right.
out.
Looks like
Which
it's
Uncle Rod, do you
ascension.
have like a map on your phone?
I do, yep.
Haven't been traveled. in a
No,
while.
I think this is the wrong way.
Oh, come
I
on.
mean, this takes us down. We can do this. It'll be an out an in and back kind of down in the valley. Well, we can do it.
Alright, let's do it.
You got the first creek.
First creek, nice.
Is there fish in there?
No, it's like a tiny little creek.
Oh.
This is a nice trail.
But very bumpy.
Yeah, it's bumpy. We're gonna let some air out of the tires at some point to hopefully help with that.
What you
A
said?
really big trees cut
At least
down
ours.
here.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Really big.
What, Stu?
A really big trees cut down.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
Oh, I was hoping for a big creek, Kenton.
Said it was a tiny little thing.
Oh,
There's like rocks, and then there's like a waterfall kind of back there.
This is kind of dangerous. Not
Yeah, it's kind of dangerous,
because the four-wheeler.
but we have good drivers.
Oh, whoa. That's bumpy.
Thing you're not driving then, J-Dubs.
No, I'm a better driver. I drive around my yard every day.
Yeah, but you don't have
I'm
any
gonna put that
trails.
he did drive Jay, so.
But I'm not used to driving on mountains.
Got
I'm
to
used
fork.
And I'm not used to driving on mountains.
Right or left?
the only thing we've got is there's no fork on the map. It's straight is all. So take your pick, I
Yes.
guess.
I'd say straight then, wouldn't you think? Maybe it just circles around. I don't know. Maybe it's one of those.
Maybe.
Circles around, comes right back.
That almost
up
looks
here.
like a little campsite down there or something.
Might be.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it
probably.
does.
Doesn't seem to go anywhere.
That looks like it could have been landside there.
Yeah, a lot of loose rock over there, isn't there?
Wanna go rock climbing?
Oh,
At Acne? There's
rock
a creek.
outcrop up there. Wow.
Right here, let's stop right
Oh,
here.
that is
and check
cool.
it out.
No motor vehicles. We
That
can't
is
be down
sweet.
here. We can stay on the trail though.
I see the cabin.
Right here.
Yeah.
Are we turning back?
This is where the trail ends up here. If it says no motor vehicles, so.
No, it said no motor vehicles down there at the creek.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's
Let's
cool
see if we
minor
stop and go
cabins
look
here.
at it.
Yeah, I
Do
gotta
it.
check. I gotta stop and check out these cabins.
Yeah, I was gonna say, get some pictures.
Well, let's park and
Yeah,
get off for a little bit.
there's some big old rocks
there's
that have
a-
been moved here.
There's a nice creek right behind those cabins.
Yeah, this is
And I
cool.
can't even hear you through the radio. No, I can when you yell. You might need to move that thing closer to your face.
Boy, this is cool. You wonder how long these have been sitting here. Were they mining cabins or what were they?
With that creek
There's a
back there,
creek.
that'd be my guess.
Yeah, can I have
Somebody's made a campfire right in
Huh?
the middle of
a
it.
picture.
Yeah, you can get it.
It's just so cool. Every one of these logs was, what do they call it, honed by hand?
Yeah.
Every one of them.
Dad, look. Someone's put their names in here.
Yeah. And what I think is pretty cool is all these big old rocks right here. How did these get here? Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Dad, you could come over here and see what it looks like.
Piece of sheet though. I don't know what that would have been for.
Alright guys, I want to show this to you. So this is an old mine in here. We had these two cabins right back there. And there's an old concrete pad right there. And there's an old concrete block with some bolts in it. I'm not sure if that was for a cable system or something maybe. I don't know. All this in here is tailings. Right here we've got an old concrete foundation, and then this would have been the main mine shaft right here, a tunnel, which it's been blasted shut. I don't know why the Forest Service did that. They blasted all these shut. probably for safety reasons, but I don't know why they didn't just gate them off so you could still look in there. But that was the old shaft. Who knows how far back into that mountain it went. And man, what a view up there. But yeah, they took mined that tunnel out, took all these tailings, threw them over the edge of the mountain here. Go up over here, there's another cabin over here too. I'm not sure what caused the cabin to get shifted off its foundation, but I mean, boy, look how well those things were built back then. The whole thing can just literally move and stay put together. It's pretty incredible. We're kind of down in the valley here. We've got this ridge up here, and then we've got this ridge over here, which our goal was to get on top of this ridge up here. There's a trail that goes up there, and we're still working our way there, but we ended up taking this trail here first. I'm glad we did. It's pretty cool down here. That's amazing. Oh heck, there's another cabin up here. Oh, this is sweet. Oh shoot, there's a bunch more tailings up here too. Wow, that's incredible. Old cabin right here. Alright, I'm going to turn around and go get the rest of the group. I think we need to just keep taking this trail. It just keeps going, so why not?
Oh, here's that other cabin.
That one's the most intact by far.
Yeah. Very tall trees here. I wonder who lived in there.
Driving up that, what's that go to?
Nothing, I drove up it, just a tailings pile. Used to be an old mine shaft up there too.
Hey, there's a... Oh, wait, that's for that trail. Never mind.
Yeah, there's fences over there. That must be some private land, too. We might be getting to the end here.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, we're getting pretty close to the trail that way.
Well, it was
Yeah.
a fun run though.
This is the end.
Oh, she keeps going.
Huh?
No motor vehicles down there.
I don't know that Fat Addy can make it through here, maybe, but there it does keep going.
Does it just make a loop?
There's a no vehicle sign right down here.
Oh, is there? So maybe I shouldn't even be up here.
Well, I mean, if that's a trail, that'd be something else. Probably
Leads
than what I'm
back up
looking
to
at.
this trail, Kenton.
See where it goes,
It's right
Ken.
there,
We'll-
and then it leads up to here.
Are we going? Maybe.
I
Goes
don't know.
until it stops right here.
You say, I don't think Fat Agnew's getting through that one anyway.
Yeah, no, the trees there are kind of tight.
Oh.
Hey, it went until it stopped, so something does come back up over here, though.
Well, it stops on the map, though, so...
It's gonna be about a 6-point turn by the time I'm done.
To the ridge!
To the ridge.
Good luck getting through the ridge.
Eat ditch.
And do we want to try all these logs?
Did you say to the ditch, Stu? To the ditch!
To the ditch!
No!
Just roll the log.
Let's hear it, Jace.
Hear what?
Hollering for the ditch.
Where's the ditch?
Attaboy, J-Dubs! D, let's hear it!
To the ditch.
Yeah.
Big old log.
Little deeper voice next time, boys.
To the ditch!
Oh,
To the ditch.
to the ditch.
To the ditch.
To the ditch! Oh, you guys are the next generation of ditchmen.
Yeah.
That's
You
true. When I'm about 160 years old, you may have to take things over.
Well, that put me at 163. I'll still be going strong.
Oh, that ain't gonna happen. I already told you, you ain't gonna live as long as I will. Not even close. It's kind of a fun little trail to crack it. Hang on, Stu.
This is just a great trail all around.
Yeah.
I don't go fast. I'm bumpy things.
What, Stu?
Don't go fast on bumpy things.
On bumpy things? You just gotta hang on tighter.
That shortcut's so bad.
I can't even see them behind us.
This is the way we came?
Yeah. This,
They did it
folks,
twice.
What? Oh,
This does
There's a
look kind of
tunnel.
deep here, but
There's
let's
the
check
tunnel.
it out.
Oh.
Ooh. His tire's mostly submerged. Yeah, that is,
That ain't nothing.
Oh, wow.
Are you doing that, Blake?
I don't know.
I just gotta figure out the best way to cross up here. Really, just if you have a little speed, it ain't bad. I was just.
Hey, Blake, hold up.
I am. I'm just trying to
It
figure
looks
out.
like the climb out's going to be tricky. I'm not sure what old Agne's going to do with
Big
this.
Agnew.
Old Fat Agnew will make it.
We gotta check this
That's
out
like
up
a
here,
mine
folks.
shaft.
Jace, we might get a little wet.
What's wrong with that? That Agnew.
My sock is soaked.
I know!
I'm two-wheel driving this.
Nice
So
work,
why not?
Blake.
Wow! Shock is soaking.
The 450.
Evan, you want to switch four-wheelers? What?
Did you
Switch
straddle that
four-wheelers?
rock?
I straddled it.
What? I want to stay with my dad.
I don't think I'm
Oh,
taking
boy.
Agne across that.
You'll be aight.
It would cross the creek just fine. It's just a matter of if it.
That climbing turn is what's got me more worried. I
Dean,
think I'm wimping out, boys.
do you want to switch four-wheelers?
Fat
No.
Agne's out.
I'm going to go up there.
Well, I'm simply checking out this shaft.
Ken, stop.
People are
I
going
wanna
this
go
way.
check
Oh,
it
there's tracks.
Yeah, I'm
Animal
gonna
tracks
check-
that I just...
out.
Oh, those are some big old tracks.
Is there?
That's either an elk or a moose right there.
This is an old mine shaft right here. Oh, sweet, that goes back in there.
Don't you go in that.
How far back? Can you tell?
I can't tell.
I bet it's deep.
There's a little pipe right here. There's a pipe right here too.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna go in just a little bit here. That's incredible. This shaft goes so far back in there. Well, it goes farther back than what we can see. I'll put some pictures up. I don't know how well this is coming through on the camera, but I'll put some pictures up too. But I'd probably go back in there a little further, but there's quite a bit of water in there, and I don't want to soak my feet. But
I'm fine if I soak my feet.
All right, guys, I switched over to my phone camera here, but
You guys see water? There's water in there.
yeah, there's water on the floor, so you wouldn't be able to walk in there without getting your feet all wet. But
I'm fine with it.
I'm gonna go back in just a bit,
Said,
not very far.
there's an S.
all go in there at the same time.
I know.
Check that out.
Well, we got two.
Dad, can you turn on your flashlight? There's a spider.
That's so cool. Old mine shaft.
Can you turn on your flashlight?
I'm gonna steal a little bit of the higher footrest.
What?
Did you go in the creek over there, Ken?
Footrest.
A little bit. It gets pretty deep.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah,
I
hold
mean,
up, bro.
obviously it's really rocky, but...
Alright, I'm rolling.
You wanna go
first?
next? I don't care.
I'm going down this part. If you don't want to go down there.
Oh, bottom down there.
Blake, which path are you going to take?
Depends on how well Kitten succeeds.
Oh, I'll succeed.
All
You
right.
want to kind of...
Oh yeah, it's a steeper one.
That gets pretty deep right there.
Whoa. Must have bottomed out or something.
Yeah, take the way through the rut bit there, Blake.
There you go. Just with a little bit of smoother gravel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really high up again.
A lot of young trees right along the trail.
Yeah.
Well, there's tons of trees dying here.
Oh, this is a smooth trail.
And it was like Colorado.
What's that, Stu?
And it was like Colorado.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we're really close to Colorado. Everybody all keeping up all right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm in range, so I must not be too far behind.
All right. We're climbing.
Very good trail.
Give me a Coke, Dean.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, let's see. So we only
There's
have...
a trail up there.
I hope that's where we're going. It probably is. That looks cool.
This looks almost.
Hold on, Stu.
Hold on, Dave.
Oh,
Hold on.
Whoa!
Woo!
Hold on again.
That's easy. Your turn. Making an A, I guess, too.
And we climb.
Good.
Hold on.
Hold on, Dave.
I don't know what we have to hold on for, but.
Hold on.
Oh, I see what it is.
Keep holding on, Stu.
I saw a green bear.
What?
You bring the axe?
Yeah, I brought the axe.
Hey,
Why do you need to know that?
make a fort.
Build a fort?
Almost to the ring! Come on!
To the ring!
Oh, that's kind of dangerous.
You are being quite silent back there.
Me?
Jace. This didn't need it.
There he is! There's J-Dubs!
Almost there!
We're getting close, aren't we?
Where are we eating?
I want to be up there, though.
We're eating on the ridge.
Guys, we should eat at the top of the mountain.
Oh, wow.
That's where we're eating. The ridge.
This is incredible.
View right here.
This
Look
is
at that
awesome,
view.
folks.
To the right.
This is incredible.
Whoa, there's snow mountains. I know, there's so much. There's snowy mountains.
All right, D, hold on. We're going faster here.
Oh, it's chilly up here.
Be going.
A little rough. I hope it opens up here. Get a view of the Centennial Valley.
Oh, there was a little opening to the left, and it was super cool. Oh, that is beautiful right there.
That it is.
That is so beautiful. I'm glad the girls can't see it. They wouldn't really mind.
The girls, all they want's the beach. They can have it.
Yeah. We're
Plain,
missing out.
flat, water, sand. Boring.
Shells, boring, art, fish, boring. I said fun.
Oh, and you got ridges and ditches. Why would you choose anything else?
Mine
Hey,
shafts,
Hey, ATVs.
tunnels, mountains.
Mountains. You gotta give me a Coke, Dad. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get a nice view up here, boys.
Oh, that's
Oh, there's an old mine up here.
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah.
cow.
Oh, wow, that's really cool.
Now this is incredible.